This comment is in reference to the interior design profile that I have invented that is pretty accurate and has been giving people really great results in helping them understand their style. I've been making videos about the different styles that people have to connect them with other creators so they can go follow them and get inspiration for what they want to do in their houses. However, I don't know exactly how to search for some of these creators, so what I'm really hoping to do is get you all to help me out. Would you pretty please, if you know of someone who has just great design and you follow them, will you tag me in some of their videos? That way I can be alerted to their existence so that I can start cultivating a list and make a bunch of videos, because I don't have someone in my list of people that I know that is a style for, and I've been searching for it and it's very hard to find it. If you're intrigued, you can go find my decodna interior design profile guide in the stand store or my bio, or go to the same link and find the link to the quiz, which you can take to find out what style you are. Like and follow for more videos like this.